Last video, we added some enemy to our game. This video, let's learn how to add health bar for this enemy. It will follow enemy position, and very easy to update health bar by changing this width value. How to set different health bar on each enemies. If you want add more enemies, just copy it, very easy. And how to add damage to enemy, and update it on health bar. You can get these images free under video. Create a 2D image. If you are making 3D game and don't see 2D object option, open Project Manager package, Unity registry. Select 2D package and install it. Let's create a 2D square image. Name it health bar. In Sprite Renderer, add background image into. If you scale it bigger, the image border is stretched and looks very weird. To fix it, make sure you set image is Sprite 2D and UI. Select Sprite Editor. Set 4 corners of image to keep them, and stretch the middle parts only. The bottom has a bigger shadow, so its border will be bigger. Click Apply. On health bar object, change it mode to sliced. It looks better now. Because sliced mode, use another size system here, so its original scale should be set back to default 111. And use its size to scale it bigger as you want. Its shape looks sharp and very nice now. Its border is thin, because original image size is 32 by 32. But our pixels per unit is 100, a lot bigger. Set it to 32. Its border is bigger now. Adjust pixels per unit until you satisfy. There is a warning here about full rect issue. To clear it, change mesh type to full rect. Warning is gone. Now you can scale size of health bar as you want to fit our enemy. Move it to center of this enemy. Create a 2D square image inside health bar. Name it fill for fill color. Add image white color for it. If you change its size, it will be stretched out and blurry. Let's do the same way to fix it. Limit 4 corners of image. The bottom has shadow, so make sure move it above this shadow. Click Apply. And change mode to sliced. It looks very sharp and nice now. To remove this warning, change it to full rect. Slice mode has another system of scale size, so the original scale should be reset back to 111. If you change width value, 2 sides will be changed. Very difficult to control. Let's change its pivot to left only. When you change width value, left position will not change. The fill color should be behind the border of health bar. You can notice order and layer of fill is 0. And order and layer of border is 0 also. Let's make it 1, to bring it in front. Now scale fill color to fit health bar. I recommend set size X of fill color is 1, so you can control it easier later. And health bar size X is 1 too. If you want health bar bigger, adjust the scale value here. The fill image will be scaled automatically too. Now change color of fill to whatever color you want. Health bar looks very cool now. When enemy gets hit or damage, we will change size X value. This value will change from 0 to 1 only. On your enemy object, let's move our health bar inside it. Then try to run the game. health bar will follow enemy perfectly. When you change width value, it works very well too. To update health, we change width value of fill image, but I recommend we add script to control it from health bar object. Name it health bar manager. Open it. Remove unnecessary code. To update health, you just need to update this size width. And this size value is inside component sprite renderer. And this sprite renderer inside fill object. So the first step is get component sprite renderer of fill. Name it sprite renderer fill. Set it public to edit directly on editor. On our script, you can see this variable now. Hold and drop fill object into. It automatically get component sprite render of fill object. Next, let's add new void event set health to update this fill color. Set it public, so we can call this event from another script. We'll have two values, our current health and max health. To update health bar, we will update size of fill image. This event will have value of a vector too. We need to add x and y value for it. Value y will be size of height of fill color. Height value will not be changed, so let's keep value of size height. Add awake. When health bar is created, let's get value of current size height. It will be value y of size. When health is updated, size height will not be changed. X is size width value. It will have value from 0 to 1 only. And current health is always less than max health. So X value will be current health divided by max health. We finish all code we need. Let's do some tests to update health bar with it. Add on start. Let's update the health bar. Call set health with any current health and max health values you want. You can adjust the current health with any width value for now. Then run the game. Health bar will be updated as value of current health. You can test it with another value of current health. Width value of fill color will be calculated correctly. In your game, you will have many types of enemy. How to create our health bar for all of them. First, convert health bar to a prefab. If you create new prefab health bar inside enemy, it will stay inside that enemy position correctly. Let's add some script inside our enemy to create health bar inside it. Name it enemy health bar manager. Open it. Remove unnecessary code. To create health bar, we need to add prefab health bar to our script. To do that, create a new variable with type gameObject. Set it public to edit directly on editor. You can see this variable on your script now. Hold and drop prefab health bar into. When enemy is created, add on awake. Let's create health bar object here. Add new void event, create health bar. To create new object, use instantiate event. It will have 4 parameters. The first one is object to create. Add prefab health bar to create a copy of it. Second parameter is position for new created object. Let's create it at enemy position. The third one is rotation of new object. Set it default of rotation. Last one is parent to contain this new object. We want new health bar object must be inside this enemy object. Control S to save your script. When game runs and enemy is created, health bar will be created at enemy position. But enemy position is at its feet. To create health bar above enemy, let's create new empty object. Name it health bar location. Move it position above enemy head, or any location you want. In our script, let's add this health bar location into. Save your script. Hold and drop health bar location into this variable. Now instead create health bar at enemy location. We created at health bar location. Let's run game again. Health bar was created at location as we expected now. When you have a new enemy, and you want add health bar into it, the first step, you need to create location to create your health bar at. Move it to any location you want. Now copy your script enemy health bar manager. Add it to your new enemy. Prefab health bar is already added, but you need to add health bar location again, because they're different. All done. Press play to test it. Health bar was created on your new enemy as well. Each enemy will have different health. How can we apply it on each enemy? Open script enemy health bar again. Each enemy will have different value of current health. Set public to edit this value directly on editor. And they have different value of max health as well. On each health bar object, it will have component health bar manager. And inside health bar manager script, we have event set health to update the current health. So we need to get component health bar manager first. After create new health bar object inside enemy, let's add it into a variable to call it easier later. Name it health bar object. If you are lazy, use var for any type of variable. Now let's get component health bar manager on this health bar object. Name it health bar manager component. Let's get this component right after health bar is created. Health bar manager is a component inside health bar object. After you have component health bar manager, you can call event set health to update the health of health bar. This event will need value of current health and max health of current enemy. Let's add value of current health of this enemy into and max health of enemy. All done. Save your script. On your enemy, make sure you set current health and max health for it. Each enemy will have different health, so make sure you enter all of them. Press play to see how it works. Health bar of each enemies is updated correctly. On enemy health bar manager, let's add new event when enemy takes damage or get heal. Set it public to be called from another script. With one variable is number of damage. This number can be negative when enemy got hit or damage, or positive to get some heal. To update new health, just add current health with new number. After updated current health on enemy, let's update health bar too. We finish all the code. Let's test to see how it works. Whenever a button is clicked, let's add damage to enemy with any buttons you want. To add damage to enemy, just call event update health. Let's do 1 damage on enemy. Control S to save your script. Run the game. Our enemy is full of health right now. Let's press button to add damage to enemy. Enemy just got hit and take -1 damage. Everything works well. When enemy health is less than 0, it should be destroyed. After new current health is updated, let's check if it is less than 0. If health is less than 0, enemy has died. And it will be destroyed immediately. Let's save your script and run the game. Do some damage to enemy. If health of enemy is less than 0, it will be destroyed. Only one script, but it can use for all enemies. Everything is perfect. All set up very well. If you want more enemy, just duplicate it. You can give it any number of health as you want to. It will work right away. Next video, we will add enemy damage after he got hit by a bullet. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to save this video. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.